Hello, it's Mick again from Creative Schools. This video we are going to be talking about adding and editing pages. Now with adding pages, it is very important that you understand the structure of the website has been approved and agreed. So if you are adding pages, please make sure that you're double checking with someone who's in charge of the website output at the school that it's okay to add one. Just because there's a couple of things that are important with how things are laid out and where they're positioned within the menu bar here. And if we hover over one such as parents, you can see the different areas we've got here. Okay, so what I'll do first, because it's the thing that you'll be doing most often, is actually editing a page. Now we're logged in, but we've viewing the school website here, but while we're still logged in. So I think the best way to I find to edit a page is to navigate to the page on the website and then edit it from there. So we'll do a class page, because it's probably what you'll be doing most. We'll click on reception. Here's our reception page. And at the top you've got edit page. So if you click on that, opening it in a new tab. Let's wait for it to load. So there's a couple of things you might want to edit. The featured image, which is the image that goes across the top of the page. If you just click on set featured image, it brings up the media library and you can select an image there, or you can upload your own from the file system of your computer by clicking on upload files and then select files. So next we've got the main body of the text, which is, if we just go back to the page, scroll down, we've got our excerpt here, and we've got learning, which is a big text box, but we've also got events that are specific to reception, the news, which there isn't any at the moment, but any news posts that have been tagged with reception will appear here, and then the staff members that are also in there. So if we go back, this is the text box that we've got here. So if you hover over it, you can see this green edit bar. Click on the pencil and it brings up the text box. And if you can use Word, you can use this WordPress text box. It's the same. You've got bold, italic, strike through, bullets, etc. We have put some things in place so that to keep consistency across the website. So anything that you add in here will be a certain font, a certain size and a certain colour. So don't worry about changing the colours. If you're copying and pasting anything in here, you'll paste it in here without formatting. So you don't worry about making your Word document laid out and look neat and tidy. Once you've pasted it in here, you can tidy it up in here. One thing that WordPress does do that Word doesn't is that when you hit return, it always leaves a line break. So if you are wanting to do that without a line break, if you hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and press it, it will go down one line. I'll just show you that again. So return with a line break. If you hold down Shift and return, it only does it go to the line underneath. And then you save settings. So once you've made your amendments, if you click save, I'll just close that because I don't want to edit it. That will then give you the option of updating it. So once you've saved that, that is just saving the text box to the draft. You then have to go up here and update it if you want that to be actioned onto the page. The page attributes here are all about where that appears in the file structure, so just ignore that. And you can see there are a couple of bits of code that we've put in it in the events, in news, and staff, and that's just to tell us to tell WordPress rather where to get that information from. So leave those all alone. They will update automatically as someone adds in new use, as someone adds in an event. They will appear there. You don't need to do anything to action those. All right, thank you very much.